Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott front coilover strut for Cadillac XTS EPS II with F55 MagneRide. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Then disconnect the strut's electrical connection from the harness. Remove the electrical connection harness bracket from the assembly and remove and disconnect the tie rod. Continue by removing the two brake caliper bolts and removing and securing the brake caliper to relieve weight and tension on the brake line. Now remove the rotor. Next up is removing the axle nut and sway bar end link nut. Then disconnect the sway bar end link. Remove the clevis mount, pinch bolt, and nut and remove the lower mount nut and bolt. Now remove the trim covering the shock tower to gain access to the top mount. Remove the strut top mount nut. Do not discard it, it will be reused for installation. Next up is to remove the strut mount washer. This will also be reused for the installation. Remove the strut and hub, knuckle, and clevis mount assembly from the vehicle. To complete the removal, separate the old strut from the hub, knuckle, and clevis mount assembly. Start the installation process by inserting the new strut into the clevis mount on the hub and knuckle assembly. Ensure that the strut is seated completely and in the correct orientation. Install the assembly on the vehicle and reinstall the strut mount washer. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then reinstall the top strut mount nut and reinstall the trim covering the shock tower. Reinstall the lower mount bolt and nut and reinstall the clevis mount pinch bolt and nut. Then reconnect the sway bar end link and reinstall the end link nut. Reinstall the axle nut. Reinstall the rotor, the brake caliper, and the two bolts. You are almost there. Reconnect the tie rod and reinstall the tie rod nut, and reconnect the electrical connection harness bracket to the assembly. The final step is to connect the strut's electrical connection to the harness. Then reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing Arnott's coilover strut for Cadillac XTS EPS II with F55 MagneRide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.